today's video I'm gonna show you guys how you can upgrade your Windows edition from any Windows 10 edition you're having. Maybe you're having Windows 10 Home or Home N, Home Single, or Windows 10 Pro. If you wanna upgrade any edition or downgrade from any edition, I can show you that today. So let me show my edition I have today. So just so that this is the Windows 10 edition I have. It's here, Windows 10 Home Single Language. So I wanna change this from Windows 10 single language to Windows 10 Pro. I'm gonna show you just that. First thing you need to do is head over to your settings, or you can just click here, change product key, but I wanna go to the settings. It's easier that way. Once we are in the settings, you come here, update and security, then activation. You can see it's still showing Windows 10 Home Single Language. You click change product key, then you enter the product key of any edition you want. So now I'm gonna enter the product key of Windows 10 Pro. So that's the product key of Windows 10 Pro. You're just gonna click next. And this one will come up after it has loaded. Upgrade your edition of Windows. So we just click start. After the upgrade, your laptop or your computer will restart automatically, so there's nothing to worry about. You just go over to your, let me check the edition now. It has changed. Here we are. Now I'm using Windows 10 Pro. If you do not want this Windows 10 Pro, you can still change it to Windows 10 Pro N if you like, but I prefer this one for now. So this is it, guys. I'm gonna see you in the next video.